Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Compliance. Compliance means action of complying. For example, they must secure each other's cooperation or compliance. They must secure each other's cooperation or compliance. Synonyms: yielding, capitulation, agreement.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Patient compliance is improved because ambulation is permitted. Now, repeat after me. Patient compliance is improved because ambulation is permitted. The second exemplar. Poor patient compliance was reported in studies not showing positive results. Now, repeat after me. Poor patient compliance was reported in studies not showing positive results. The third exemplar. Studies indicate that many physicians demonstrate poor compliance with recommended tuberculosis treatment guidelines. Now, repeat after me. Studies indicate that many physicians demonstrate poor compliance with recommended tuberculosis treatment guidelines.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.